Here I've got HOMTOM HT16 and let me show you how to activate and use boot mode on the following device. So at first you have to tap on power key and hold it for a while, then select power off and wait until your device is shut down. Then tap on power key and volume up key and hold both keys all together. And now you're in boot mode, in which you can navigate by using volume up key, and for selection use volume down key. So here you can access recovery mode, you can also activate Fastboot mode, or you can go back to the normal one, to the normal mode. So just pick whichever option you would like to apply and then tap on the volume down key to select, and I will go back to the normal mode. This is also the exit method from the boot mode, so just tap on volume down key and wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode with all applications and features active. You can use your device as usually. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.